Hi there, this is Des from SMECrunch.co.uk, and I thought I'd just run you a quick video just to let you know that there was an announcement last night that the Bank of England are going to offer loans to spark the economy, and the essence is they're going to inject over 100 billion into these banks to try and lend to small businesses. And I've done this video because I'm a little bit skeptical of it, and I'm going to show you why I'm skeptical, if I can actually show you in this graphic form. Okay, let's move these out of the way. Okay, so what we've got is we've got the Bank of England here. So we'll just say this is the BOE, Bank of England. Oops. That's the Bank of England. And I think what they're going to do is what they're suggesting that what they're going to do is they're going to lend these other banks. So you've got the TSB, you've got Lloyds, you've got RBS, you've got HSBC. They're going to inject this 100 billion into these banks, and in turn what these banks are supposed to do is lend to the small business. Just here. Oops. Okay, they're supposed to be lending to these small businesses with this 100 billion. Okay, and I must admit I'm a little bit skeptical. So what I'm going to do is going to take these lines away that I've just drawn, because that's what they're supposed to do. The Bank of England injects money into the economy by placing it into these banks, and then in turn they lend it to small business. Now what I think is going to happen, just get rid of these. I think what's going to happen, I think the Bank of England will lend to these banks, your Lloyds, TSB, your HSBC, your RBSs of the world. I think they will lend to them, and I think these banks may lend some of the money. I reckon maybe about 20%. This is a massive guess. About 20% of the funds, okay. And this one might lend 10%. This one might be more generous and lend 30%. This one not that generous, 5%. And let's go 20% again here. Okay. So the Bank of England will basically infuse 100 billion into the economy via these banks. They're going to then lend this money to the small business person, but I don't believe they're going to lend 100% of the money. I think they're going to lend small percentages of the money, and then what they're going to do is they're going to recapitalize themselves, okay? Because these banks are short of money. So they're short of the pound, okay? And I think what it is, this is stealth recapitalisation. I think what these banks are going to do, they're going to lend some of the money to show that they're actually doing something, but in the long run, I think what they're going to do, and I think the main purpose of this loan, is to actually recapitalise themselves. I might be wrong, and I really hope I'm not, but I think this is how it's going to play out.